Hey, good morning, guys. We're just a little bit northwest of Gladbrook, Iowa. We're at this, it's Wolf Creek Recreation Area. And apparently there's this swinging bridge over Wolf Creek. We're going to show you that. Be right back. I scared away the turkeys.
What is it with you and cows? At least there's a fence between them and us this time.
That one with oh, you guys all got white faces.
They're eating his cud.
The other day when I walked through here, but it was earlier, like just before, like 6 o'clock, 6:30. A bunch of turkeys got up right here. Now there's cattle. Oh,
Those damn flies.
Yeah. All right, let's get to that bridge.
Oh, there's the bridge.
Oh yeah, there's a bridge. This is a great little park. Quiet. What's that?
Nothing, nothing. There it is.
We've met some really nice people. Actually, 3 other full-timers. The one couple, they're just between houses. So they're actually looking for a house right now. The other couple, they've been living full-time in their RV for 2.5 years because they had to short sell their house. And the other couple they just moved in to save money. So here we go. You want to go first? Apparently it's a swinging bridge. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. This is a beautiful little creek. This is like a mini river. Oh, this thing. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Love this stuff. Still swinging. Okay, so that was a swinging bridge. We're gonna explore where this trail goes now. Okay, you guys, we have started. Isn't that gonna look nice? This is that interlocking, this floating vinyl luxury laminate, whatever. Yeah, okay, we'll show you the progress. Okay, day 2. Got the slide done. This is completed here. We got to get some transition strips for the edge of the slide. And we've got one more row to do on this slide. So just got to finish up a little bit here in the kitchen, and then I'm not looking forward to this back here, all the intricate cuts and all that stuff. Yeah, you know, pull the toilet up and all that stuff. Back around the bed. So, anyway, productive day. Today is Sunday, August 1st, 2021. Okay, you guys, you know, we do our morning walks, our morning hikes every morning. And came upon this hole in this tree. This is a healthy tree. I don't know, what is it, an oak? But I needed you guys to tell us what's in there.
Turn it all in.
Can you see? Anyway, yeah, thanks for that. Day 3 of the floor install. So yeah, we're gonna get back, eat some breakfast, and get going on that again. Okay, you guys, here we are, Union Grove State Park. There's Hot Baked Italian down on the bridge over a waterfall, I guess. Let's go see what she's doing. What's going on over here?
No waterfall.
No waterfall. I thought that said waterfall there. Okay, I guess, ooh, the railing's hot. A little bit of a babbling brook. Okay, I guess no waterfall. We'll see what else there is here. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Beautiful lake. Okay, we found the waterfall. Yeah. What's going on here? Anyway, that's a bummer. Yeah, we just had to walk a little farther up the trail here. Okay, let's see what else Union Grove State Park has to offer. Okay, we're on our drive around the lake. I'm gonna leave this one. We're on our drive around the lake, and Lisa has been wanting to stop at put it in park. Lisa's been wanting to stop at one of these old cemeteries. There's so many little cemeteries in the Midwest, or you know, you'll see them on a hill, you know, and maybe just like 100 gravestones or something. But let's take a look at this old one here. Union Grove. They call it the Pioneer Cemetery. Established in 1867. Let's see some of these. That's not morbid, is it? I don't think so. It's just like history. How do we get in here?
It's locked. I was very rusted.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, has it been that long since somebody's been in here? Wow. Okay. That looks like a relatively new one. And we will not walk on the grave. Here's some old ones here. Wow. $1867. Hard to read the rest of it. Just kidding. 1939, Dr. Edward N. Bywater. I'm guessing this would be with his...
1871, aged 5 years, 6 months, and 2 days.
Oh.
They died a day apart from each other.
Daughters.
8 years, 23 days, age 8, 23 years.
Wonder if there was an accident or something. Oops, excuse me.
I wonder if it was like influenza or one of those plague or something they had back in 1870s.
A.T. King died June 25th, 1875. 25 years old, 10 months, 2 days. $1880. Hard to read the rest of it. $1880 also. Wish I gave a little the reason why, or you know. Yeah, I can't read those at all. $1866. Wow, Civil War just got over. Oh, 90 years old. Attaboy. Yeah, so he'd been born in 1776. Awesome. Not that he died, but he was born in 1776. 1872. Russell Morrow. Wonder if he was law enforcement with the star there.
Oh, I can't read the whole thing. It's not book, isn't it? It might make sense.
Died November 7th, 1881.
Interesting how they put the age, the year, and the months of when they died, or how old they were. Died September 15th, 1882. Aged 5 months and 13 days.
Yeah, wow. Son of J.B. and E. Baker. So yeah, it's a little bit interesting. Is this curing your
Yes.
desire to see old
Yes.
grave sites?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, we're halfway through Union Grove Park, and we saw the sign, so we come up here and satisfy her curiosity. Yeah, okay, so not much going on here at Union Grove State Park. We just drove through the campground. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys that. Small campground. I think there's like what? I think there's only like
a dozen, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a dozen sites with hookups. There's about that many tent sites also. Small campground. The RV sites are full hookup, and I think they're getting $24 a night for those right now. You guys, this is about 3 miles from our campsite at Wolf Creek Recreation Area over here. This is the location of the greatest Iowa railroad tragedy. You got this little historical marker here, and must be one of the old spikes from the tracks. But they're saying this is the site. So I guess at one time there was tracks through here. But in March 21st of 1910, from what I understand, there was a track closed down, and so two trains hooked together on the same track, and there was passenger cars between them. And apparently here somewhere, the lead train derailed. Passenger cars followed into an embankment. Here's some pictures. Into an embankment, and the rear passenger, the rear engine plowed right through the passenger cars. So yeah, that's pretty sad. You can see there wasn't much left of those cars. So yeah, this was. Oh, and there was 54 people killed and many more injured. So yeah, that's sad. But you know, just a little. Yeah, we hate to hear that stuff, but little piece of history. I never knew that before. So anyway, onward with the adventure. Yeah, so we just got back to the campsite. Can't remember if I showed you the other location over there. We were over there for 4 or 5 days, but then had to dump, and we wanted this spot. So another gentleman moved, and we got this nice spot here, private. Anyway, just a couple other things with, you know, that train crash. It's known as the Green Mountain train wreck, or Green Mountain Railroad disaster, or something like that. So if you want to look that up, if the train was going between Green Mountain, Iowa, which is about 4 or 5 miles south here, and Gladbrook, where the matchstick marvels was, that's about 5 miles this way. So it was about right in the middle between them. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know where it happened. Okay, here's another Freedom Rock over here. What do we got going on here? United States veteran. Looks like bricks with the number 10 on it. What you got here? Oh. These are, okay. All right, so these are the names of, I guess, vets that grew up here in Gladbrook. No, over the years, or maybe the county. I bet it's a county, because you know, they only put these in one per county. So okay, I bet it's the whole county. Yeah. So these blank bricks that are awaiting some names, which is kind of sad to think of.
Back to far as World War I.
Wow. Yeah, this is Tama County. Okay, the code talkers. I've heard of the Navajo code talkers, but not the Meskwaki code talkers. All right, so I learned something. Cool. This one's really just got 2 sides. Honor our veterans through the years. Okay, you guys, that was an interesting afternoon. Matchstick Museum, a Pioneer Cemetery,
Union Grove Park,
and this Freedom Rock. We're going to be stumbling upon these Freedom Rocks all over Iowa, I guess. But anyway, love each and every one of you guys. Appreciate you. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when we publish a video. But God bless.
See you next time.